In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to locate Java runtime on Minecraft. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to this PC and go to local disk C. Here, go to program files and search for Java. Now, if you can't find Java, you might have to search in program files and not the x86. So you just have to look between these two folders. And if you don't have Java, you can go ahead and download it from Google. Type in Java download and you can download it and install it from here. So once you go to here and go to find Java, open Java and open the recent version of Java. Go to bin. Over here, search for java.exe. So it should be this one. Right click and then properties, compatibility. Here you want to make sure the program is not run as an administrator. So make sure your settings look just like mine. Make sure this is unchecked, this is unchecked, and after that you can click OK. Then go to java w.exe, right click, properties, compatibility, and make sure this is unchecked and this is unchecked and all of these are unchecked. After this, you can check if this fixes your issue, if you're still having issues. Now the next step is to go to cmd, right click, run as administrator. Over here, you're gonna run this command, so net stop wua user v and press enter. And then run the second command, net start wua user v and press enter. And then write ipconfig flush DNS. And after that, you can close this down. Now, if you're still having issues, then you have to go here to control panel. And over here, you'll go to programs. And then you'll go to programs and features. And here, find Minecraft. And okay, I realized you can't actually uninstall Minecraft from here. So to uninstall Minecraft, you basically go to this PC, go to C drive. And here, you'll go to program files. So actually not from here, you actually have to run. You go to here and type in run, and then you type %appdata% and click OK. Here you will find .minecraft. So before you delete Minecraft, I recommend you also save your servers, or if you have any saves here, you can just save this folder. So this is your world folder. If you save it, you'll be able to secure your world saves. So I recommend saving this folder. So just right click, copy, and then paste it here. And once you delete everything and reinstall Minecraft, you can just paste it back. So what you will do is just right click, delete .minecraft, and you will basically make sure that you don't have any Minecraft folder on your computer. So you would right click and just delete every Minecraft you have, and then you would go here, open Google and type in Minecraft installer. So you would re-download Minecraft and download the installer and run the installer, and hopefully this should fix your issue.